5 Benefits of Olive Oil. Discover the world of olive oil, a golden elixir brimming with health benefits. It's not just a kitchen staple, but a nutritional powerhouse. The first benefit, heart health. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, reducing the risk of heart disease. Next, olive oil is full of antioxidants. These combat harmful free radicals, protecting your body and promoting overall health. Thirdly, it aids weight management. Despite being a fat, it's a healthy fat that can actually help you lose weight. Fourth, it supports brain health. It may lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease and slow down the brain's aging process. Lastly, it has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is the root of many diseases, and olive oil can help fight this. Embrace the power of olive oil today.